Hey everybody, I haven't posted in a while. I figured I would come out here and talk to you about the whole planetary alignment thing because it's really actually kind of easy to see if you know what you're looking at. This is hard to do, so I'm gonna turn the camera like this so you can see the moon. There it is, there's the moon. And the fun thing about the moon is that it rises the same place. Where I live, it rises right over there. And every night, let's not get into the minutia about when the moon comes up and when it doesn't. Well, anyways, it rises over there, I promise. And then from where I live, it sets over there. And so that's an arc I can trace in the sky. I can literally look up in the sky and trace an arc. There it goes, right there. And tonight, the moon is right there above my head. Well, that's a plane called the ecliptic. It's the ecliptic plane. Feel free to look it up. And the planets are along it every time. And so when there's a lot of them, you just have to sort of visualize that plane, and the really bright objects are the planets. They're much brighter than everything else because, well, they're closer. So we can see them more clearly. So I'm going to turn the camera one more time. And I think you can see right next to the moon, I see Mars up there. Mars is kind of easy, actually. So there's the moon, and you see next to it, there's a really bright one. That bright one is probably Jupiter tonight, and then I don't think we can see Mars on my camera here. Let's see, I'm going to try to zoom in on the moon a little bit. Thanks, iPhone, you're awesome. This segment sponsored by Apple. Yeah, you can't, but Mars is up there. I swear it's right there. But anyways, I mean, you can see it, and it's right along that plane that I talked about. So in this case, the moon comes up, like I said, behind me, and then it kind of arcs over the sky. I wonder if I can catch it. There's the moon. There's a planet there. And I'm going to keep going. I'm turning the camera all the way upside down. It probably won't. It might. Oh, and there's another one right there. So, fun fact about the planets is, let me make sure that that's actually, yep, there it is. That's one of them. That's Venus. And so if I trace that arc all the way up in the sky, I can see that there's other ones up there. Right next to the moon, there's one, and there's Mars. And so it's really very easy. If you know where the moon comes up and you know where it goes down, sun too, same thing. And at night, you just kind of look at that arc, and it's the brightest object every time. Otherwise, just use an app, but that's how you do it.